Never get upset. Always get up and set yourself. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. It's me Sushant Paul in front of you. And I hope you all of are doing great. I'm doing fantastic today. And today's morning, yeah, it's very beautiful. You can see behind me there are lots of trees. You can see right now I am in the riverside. You can see behind me. Yeah, morning time is the best time practicing English, and that is why I'm here for my practice English. Yeah, so I am talking about never get upset, always get up and set yourself. You know one thing that nothing is permanent in this world, everything is perishable. Today you maybe you are happy, but tomorrow you may unhappy. So never think that your happiness or sadness is permanent. Even happiness and sadness, nothing is permanent in this world. So don't get upset about that. Time changes now and then. Yeah. And yeah, guys, if you have a smartphone, if you have a enough internet, I mean megabyte, then you can easily, it's easy for you. I mean it's cup of tea for you, or learn English or learn any new language or any new things. You can watch YouTube videos, you can watch, you have to make environment for learning English. You can watch lots of cartoons in English. Yeah, in that way you can improve your English speaking skill. If you guys really want to be improve your English speaking skill, then you have to practice a lot, because there are no any shortcut way to learn English. You have to practice. Yeah, and I'm practicing here, and you can practice like me in front of camera. And it's morning time. You can see, you can describe anything like me. You can describe a place like there are lots of trees, and right now I'm walking, and one of man behind me is walking so fast, and you can see there are another one. And morning time everyone is busy at 7 or 8 a.m. In the city side. I don't know whatever countryside, I mean village. Yeah,